to my graph. And so I got -3, -2 is right here. Okay. Next thing I need to do, step number, my rise over run is going to be 4 over 1, because I can write a fraction, I can write a whole number as a fraction by putting it over 1. Okay, so I have my point, I have my slope that's parallel, I have my parallel slope. So if my rise is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and my run is 1, -2, 2 is another point on the line, but I still haven't reached the y-axis yet, so I have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, I'm getting closer. Looks like I have to count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There is, I have reached the y-axis, so my b is +10. So this line, equation of this line is y equals 4x plus 10. Now, our original equation, I'll put in blue, was 4x plus 5. So that told me that my y-intercept was at 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we go. And so you can see when I graph the blue line, my original line in my equation, please excuse the fact that I can't draw a straight line, my lines are parallel because my slopes are the same. So the final answer to my question, what's the equation of line parallel to y equals 4x plus 4, that goes to the point -3, -2, is y equals 4x plus 10. Here we're being asked to write the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 4x plus 5 and goes through the point -3, -2. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to write this equation using graph paper. Alright, because remember, all of our anytime we're graphing, our equation we're using is y equals mx plus b. So the two pieces of information that I need are my m, which is my slope, and my b, which is my y-intercept, or where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to plot the point given. Okay? So in this case, my point is -3, -2. So I'm going to 2 is I need to identify the slope given in the equation. Now, remember, parallel lines have the same slope. And what this question's asking me is I'm writing a new equation that will be parallel to y equals 4x plus 5. So my slope, there's nothing to calculate. We just have to take our slope from the equation given in the question. And so my slope is a +4. Okay, so that means, so my last step is just to count the next points on the line using my rise over run, just like we do when we're graphing, till I get to the y-axis. Because once I reach the y-axis, I will have my y-intercept.